President Trump may be a hawk when it comes to China, but it's hard to find many doves in Washington on the subject. Senator Rick Scott, a Republican from Florida, has been particularly outspoken about the urgent need to reform our relations with Beijing. And we welcome him now from Capitol Hill. Welcome, Senator. Good to have you with us.
Well, they're not our friend. They're not our partner. I mean, think about it. They won't open up their economy to us. They are stealing our technology. They have all this. They know where everybody is in the country, but they can't find where those people are selling fentanyl or producing fentanyl to sell in this country are. And then they're over down in Venezuela supporting a murderous dictator that's starving little kids to death. So they're not our friend.
So let me push it a bit further. I mean, the president clearly thinks he may be able to get a deal that would be acceptable and really make things better with China. We talked with Kyle Bass, a very prominent investor recently, and he suggested really no U.S. company should be doing business in China. Listen to what he had to say.
Once you get over the fact that there's no rule of law there, that they don't respect human rights, and that they don't play by our rules, if you can get over those three things, then maybe you should invest some more money in China. I think the U.S. institutional community is breaching its fiduciary duty to its own investors by actually investing in a country that has that many problems.
So, Senator, would you go that far to urge all U.S. companies to stop doing business in China?
So I completely agree. I don't think any American should buy one Chinese product. I mean, what we're doing is we're giving them money to become our competitor, to be our adversary. They're building a military to compete with us. They're moving into the South China Sea. So absolutely, we should not do any business with China. We should not buy anything from China. We have to understand they are our arch enemy.
We don't only buy from them, we also sell to them. And if you take a look at Florida, for example, our information is that Florida sells something over $2 billion a year into China. What would that do to your constituents back in China if you didn't sell that $2.07 billion worth of goods?
Sure. If the Chinese want to buy our goods without stealing our technology, have at it. But I believe we have to understand that when we do business with China, we're doing business with an adversary. And it's not a slight adversary. They don't believe in human rights. They don't believe in personal freedom. They don't believe in all the things that created this country that we believe in.